We see the worker they go to the program. Good morning from Benin. I would reach now from Independent Television, Edo State, Nigeria. You know, say last week here, for inside this program, we tell us yes, they expect one of the youngest leader in the state, and today he deal with us for some exigencies and all that. You know, if he join us, but today he don't deal with us for us. So we look at issues like I told you just before. This get rich quick, this young, this so everybody just want to hurry to make money and everything. Where we get wrong, and what will be the role of the youth we're supposed to play in terms of nation building? Because everything we just see now, everybody want to make money, everybody want to make, even in university, everybody want to make money. In a sense, supposed to be Honorable Marcus Onobu, Speaker, Edo State House of Assembly. Good morning.
Good morning, my brother.
How you doing?
Very fine. Good morning, my people of those states. Good morning, my brothers and sisters, and good morning to our youths.
So make I start from there. You suffer at all?
What you mean suffer? Maybe.
Or how was life when you were growing up?
Well, life they good because for me, if I say make I share my experience, I come from what they call humble background, where I spend most time with my grandparents. And that time when I spend with them, whether paternal or maternal, it make me understand the rich cultural values of our people. I follow my grandmama go farm. I follow my grandpapa go farm. And in the process, I dey learn some of the things because I discovered that most of the things when we dey eat for house, we go farm, fetch them. And very few things now we dey go buy for markets. And when you say whether I suffer, we get everything where we need. We may not get a big motor or get the privilege of enjoying what people call good things of life, but we get the basic things where we need. If we want to go school, we also dey sure say even before we resume school, the first day of school, my papa go give me school receipts saying they already pay school fees. So everything dey okay, and we understand say make we as younger ones when they grow they come, make we dey contented with wetin we get and also work hard to become wetin we want be tomorrow. So now so the story be.
Okay, you do well. You know, I did shocked on last week Sunday. I go one church, I'm not going to mention any name, and the pastor bring one 15-year-old boy who want go do money ritual. Somehow, when at this level, when you hear such things, how you react?
Well, they pain me when I see the way things they go now with our youths, most especially the younger generation. And I go start with say the responsibility to take care of these people, because all these younger generation, these people when they talk about, so they still dey under the guidance of their parents. So first, our parents need to know wetin we children they do, because you discover now say pikin wey don go reach up to 12-13 years, he go come get in own room for house because papa dey busy, mama dey busy. You know the waka enter the room make you know wetin dey the room, wetin be the setting, how this person dey behave. If na books they read, which kind of books they read. If na movie they watch, for instance now we can't get a multi-choice DSTV and what have you, which channels they mostly watch. Our people need to understand how their children they live their life. Now when phone dey, sometimes you see for this Google, so if you pick your pikin phone or even your own phone, you go see say most of the things where you don't search in the last few months, it still dey the search engine. Carry the phone, check wetin they find out for internet, because once you dey fit understand the way that they behave like this, you go know how to monitor them. Because if you leave them, now you see say children they dey into hard drugs, that they keep bad company. And okay, if I also give one example. I remember when I just entered university, a year after I enter school, I come join my friends go for one party. One small wahala happened there. They throw things. So as I they try to also come up for the scene, I get one small injury. So as I reach house that day, my younger one, they ask me, say, which kind of injury be this? The next thing, go tell my mama. And my mama begin shout, where I see injury, carry come house. That one come show me, say, I don't need to do anything when they know what they proud of. Or they know, because if to say they not see that thing, maybe one day I go do another thing. So our parents need to monitor the children. Then secondly, like you talked just now, the issue of small pikin of 15 years. They bring and come and say, want to go do money ritual. What do you know about life? What do you understand about money? Not to talk about ritual. So you see, say the values for our society don't break down well. You know, at 15, because when we did school, we for university, we believe say our life and the world end within the university campus. But by the time we come out, we see say now different life entirely. So the responsibility go still go back to our parents, our guardians, because we grew up with that mentality and notion. Say pikin na everybody own. So everybody for the community, assuming say the papa and the mama no dey put eye for that pikin, because if the pikin become nuisance, e go become very serious burden to the people, because if you become armed robber, na people within the community go dey thief their things. If you become kidnapper, na people when you know around, you go dey kidnap. So everybody go join to dey put eye on some of these people wey you see say the kind waka wey dem dey do around e no good. Sometimes if their parents not even know, you as person wey notice, you go draw the pikin papa and mama attention, say the way this your pikin take dey behave o, e no good, or the company wey e dey keep e no good. So when we dey fit do all these things, you go discover say we go fit help our children, our youth comot for all these bad vices wey dem dey wan put hand. Because whether na true or not, such person wey you talk about just now, e no understand, maybe na peer pressure, or e understand, maybe e go just say, oh, mama dey sell something for market, anytime you wan subscribe, you no get recharge card to subscribe, somebody go tell am say make I carry you go where therefore dey do something where they get quick money. Because e never understand how life be, e dey vulnerable. So such person, if you see who help am, you go quickly retrieve am for such a act. But if you leave am, you go dey more indulged to the point that you go not find am say it don start to dey craze or mad for streets before anything happen. So if you watch this, our younger people, they dey vulnerable because they no really understand wetin life be. Sometimes me I dey ask the people wey tell you say they get ability to do ritual or make you get money quick, you go first look them up reach ground. Because all those times when we dey watch home video, we go see them for TV, all those most especially all these Nollywood people, they go carry some rickety car, say that one they be big man. So me and some of my people will talk say if that like this, they say they no be this kind of riches, we want do things legitimately. And thank God with technology what we get today, go for proper training. E get areas where you go specialize, or whether na car tracking or any kind of area where you you dey build app or website or anything. In no time, if you focus and you get that dedication and resilience, you go become rich man. How many years be the man wey get Facebook? You see the last 3 days or 4 days ago when WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram no work, e be like everybody dey panic for the world, see say the world don end. Now people na create all this platform, so you sef go dey think how to work to fit a reach or even better pass people like this. Me, I sit down here now, I be young man. If I tell you my history, and some people go say, which day start politics? But it go interest you to know, say, by the grace of God, this is 2021.
Yes.
I start my active politics for 2003. How I tested, if you check from 2003 reach now, is 19 years. How I start? I feel say I don't grow reach voting age. when e be say my voice they need to hear my voice for the community, I mobilize my contemporaries wey be say we register to become young voters, to start to ask question. Una when they do this government, una when be the big ogas for government, wetin una get to, how come our community be like this? From there I go gather small bench, begin dey talk to our people. Some people think say, you know, I don't know wetin I dey do, but one stage to the other, then they give me assignments. All those assignments wey they give me, e dey make me now dey more visible for politics, you know, and I dey make myself dey available. And anytime the people wan assess me to take say abeg, e get one thing wey we wan ask our big ogas wey dey government to help us ask, I come become like a voice to them for the society, and from there trust come. I go dey on my own, they go send me say come go represent us for so place, na you go speak for us for so place, and na so small I take on reach where I dey now. So the journey no dey always dey easy, but if you dey focused, you go find out say you go reach your destination, and everything wey you dey find go fall in place.
We dey house with our speaker, the honorable speaker of the Edo State House of Assembly, Honorable Marcus Onubu. And I don't hear am, mostly the young people see he talk to us. So it's not just magic, not be instantaneous thing, not be he start am. See, he don't start the journey of life 19 years, almost 19 years ago, before he can reach the stage when he reach. So we also know that one too, because I enter one university campus recently, and you see children of 100 level, they talk of car, talk of these lessons, talk of this, talk you go wonder how for university, even nobody they talk of say you know those days we talk about all those scholarship, read well to win the best student, best graduation student, all of those things over the year, all many things we say go keep people into action. All of this, but just to say even the society too, not so they help, because all of those things like say some kind of incentive to call the day we go encourage young people to call the one me read, or they put up all of these things. Guys, all those things not come there again.
Well, I don't agree with you saying not there again, because if you check before now, where we never get this kind of technology or internet, so to speak, you go see say even the children when put head for ground, you dey find them for library, you dey find them from different places. Some of them they think of what to do, they do research. Now the reason why I say I don't agree with you, from the comfort of your room you go fit access internet. If na my name you want check now to know small thing about me, as they mention my name to you, you go type up Google to show you, say see who you dey based on the information wey dey there. Wetin I dey try to talk be say everybody library now dey in hand, e dey in full. Wetin be the problem? How come our people no dey take advantage? But when you see our younger people today, they go tell you say they wan subscribe. Some go even use the language say I need small thing to sub. The sub wey dey sub na to snap picture of face or the dress wey they wear to put for internet, or to do the one that they call Instagram or Facebook or Snapchat or all kind. And if you check the kind of data when most of these social media app they collect, who subscribe 2,000 naira now data don go. And that 2,000 naira, I can tell you wetin e go give them if they choose to use and do meaningful research for themselves. And above all, there are so many programs wey me I know say e dey go on. For instance, I know certain NGO when they search for young companies wey just come up, dem go come ask you say Akpololo, you get barbing salon, we get 20 people, 20 youth wey wan bring come, you go train them. These people go dey work for you for free. We wey bring them come and we go pay them, make them learn, go also open their own. At the end of the day, you go see say your business, because you don get more 20 people, more customers go dey come. All those ones also dey learn. People dey wey go pay them. then give them equipment to take go clipper and different things to take go start up their own. But wetin you go find now be say, make I tell you now say, Apololo, give me 20 youths when we come learn this thing. By the time you call 1 to 3, they go tell you say na that kind of work you get for them. You say make dem go learn barbing. You go dey discouraged. They no wan start small.
They no wan start small.
They no wan start small. But anything when you start small, na dey grow big. Because if you just run say you wan jump, start high, before you know you go crash. So the matter be say, we, all of us, our parents, me and you, we get role to play. Because I mentioned just now say our papa, our mama, they know they too pull eye. That what about those of us wey be say we be elder brothers and elder sisters? How many times we dey check on our younger ones to know wetin dem dey do, to dey into their business? Come, tell me, you went dey school, so how many friends you get for school? Wetin una dey do for school? Sometimes e dey very interesting, because if you also share your experience with them, they dey excited. And one of the things wey also help me when I dey grow up, I grow up because I no get the privilege of getting na me be the senior for my parents. I no get the privilege of elder brother and elder sister, but I look for them around my community, whether they be far relation or whatever, the people when I choose to look up to. And most time when I come back from school, I dey go sit down with them. They go share their experience. I remember e get one of my far cousin wey be say na pastor e be now. When e dey school, they hear of am well well. E dey do some kind things wey be say all these people when they do body they do for school. So anytime I sit down with am, he go dey share experience with me, how things be and how e no good make I go take join bad gang. That one help me to understand. So when I notice such people dey come around me, I know how to wake them off, because I don hear from somebody wey be say e get that kind of experience. So you just imagine say I no get that kind of opportunity. So if our younger ones no dey gree near us, we go also find opportunity to near them, draw them, come close to ourselves, to know wetin dem dey do. Because if the society bad, e bad for all of us. So we must make conscious efforts to help our, because they say the youth are the future leaders. If we not start to dey build them now, which future we get? Because whether you like am or not, we too don dey age. So we must now begin to dey think of people wey go take after us, so that tomorrow when we don reach a certain age, say na elder statesmen will come be, we too go say, oh, see people wey we don fit raise up for our society to become a better place.
Okay, when we look at nationalism now, you know, you now one of the youth now, one senior people they look up to say, okay, yes, if Marcus or Noble be speaker at this age, people they like some other governors will be young people. So where you feel see the young people coming in terms of nation building?
Well, like I talked before, nation building, talk about young people, you no go fit separate them, because to build a nation, you need to build structure. And the structure, what would they talk about? Now our younger generation, and even our old people today, when they government or they highly placed for different area, don't forget say they also pass through this stage of youth development, because they grow through this age, can reach where they did. So the role when our youth gets to take help develop our nation and build our dear country, it dey very big and huge. So wetin e mean be say they need to make conscious efforts to be part of the planning of our nation building. They need to be part of the development, you know, and of course to finally become the owners of the process. So wetin that one mean be say our young people need to position themselves.
They need to position themselves. Yes.
Because like they talk, we say, fortune smile on those who are prepared.
Fortune
Yes.
smile on those who are prepared.
Who are prepared.
Yes.
Because make it not be say that time come when they look for people, which is these young people, when go take responsibility, when go stand to say we fit stand to defend our dear country, we fit stand to do whatever assignments when the country put on our shoulders, we not go find them. So for whatever thing when they do, whether na business o, whether na politics o, civil service o, anything wey they do at all, make them put eye. Because if you see how all of these things dey part of the nation building when we dey talk about, so they must get that mindset, say this thing when I dey do so, if na school you dey go, you wan become academician, you must go the school wey be say you go stand out for anywhere in the world, to the point that if you talk, other people go doff their cap for you. If na business you dey do, you go build your business integrity, to the point that anywhere you put your CV, people go understand, say this man, he truly know wetin he dey do. So in all of this, we as youth must position ourselves for, because government not just dey run as government, because people wey you dey see for, unfortunately, when they talk government, most people go just look, say who be president, who be vice president, who be senate president, who be governor, who be speaker, who be deputy governor. Na so they see the, or maybe commissioners and ministers, na so they see the government reach. No, government na collective effort of every individual for the society, and at every point you must find people when they represent for those areas. And that is why you find me today say I dey here as speaker, tomorrow another person go dey. But you, the one wey you dey do at that particular time, how well you dey do am, na those one be the question. Because when you develop yourself, tomorrow when the opportunity come, when you sef go be speaker, you go be governor, you go utilize the opportunity.
Yes.
So
they need to develop themselves.
Exactly. Because you see, me, now the first time when I come House of Assembly, and a year and few months after I become speaker, and the apprehension that time be say how you go take manage, how you go do, you know the work. But today I believe say the story no be the way they fed the talk am before, because over time and the opportunity when I don't get in the last 12-13 years, when I don't take work for government at different level, I felt the special assistant for these states. I don't do senior special assistant, I don't be executive director. Today I dey here, and I also get some small side business when I dey also take help myself, and also because and also dey into youth advocacy when be say e carry me around every part of Nigeria, you know. So all of this don help me to develop, relate with all kind of people from various backgrounds and understanding. And today the position when I find myself, e no be something wey be say come become load for my shoulder, but na something when I dey happily do, because I understand how to relate with people, and of course how the business of government dey run. But the question when I go ask my youths and other people, if this responsibility fall on you, how you go waka? So you need to start to dey prepare yourself, because one day e go come. Me, when I dey come House of Assembly, one of the things when I promise myself be say I go come speak for the people of my constituency. My voice, they go hear am for House of Assembly. I not believe say I go be speaker, not even this particular time, but along the line, as God want am, the responsibility fall on me, and I take am, and I'm sure Edo people see how we dey suffer, dey manage, dey go. So na challenge I dey put to our young people. If wherever you dey, responsibility fall on you, are you prepared to take up such challenge? If you are not, you need to start preparing now.
If you are not, you need to start preparing now. Now you hear for the horses, man, because what we dey see these days, we see I want to be hammer, I want to be this, I want to be that, I want to be quick. Like I talk, all of us get role to play. I just tell her just now, say I go one church, 15-year-old boy, 15 in this meeting last week Sunday, say they won't go do money ritual, and he follow person go there, they don't tell her the price, tell her everything, and her mama and papa and they say make use to do. So it's a concern to all of us that look, this issue of nation building, not just only one person, now it will take up. So Honorable Speaker, as we begin to wrap up, the different organs of government, when we see all of these things fall upon now, you know, if we see a good make one, also bring bill, when we see it also bring about this most of these things to play.
Yes, for me, like I first mentioned before, government now everybody own, and for some of us where they privileged to hold privileged position too for government, one of the things where we say we need to do now to create the enabling environment, and also for us where we say we they make law to also enact laws and give the executive support, what they call legislative support in terms of law, to see how we go to bring about 1, youth development, 2, youth mainstreaming, 3, youth inclusiveness. All these 3 what I mentioned, so no be by how many work where government gets to take give the number of youths for Edo State or Nigeria, but how you fit do things to enhance their capacity. Because if you get farm now and you not get the right means of transportation to carry your products, go for where you go sell to make profits, and those things where you harvest for your farm destroy, it's not good. Government role be say now to create the enabling environment. 1, to see say the farm where you they make, you they protected. 2, if you harvest your products, you get good road to take carry these things reach markets. And sometimes government also get that responsibility to help you open up market such a way that you go get off the way they call off takers, people will be say they go buy off you. You know, so at every given point, governments must help to create that enabling environment. And one thing when I feel assure you be say, as me I did here so, and with the support when we they give the government of Edo State, anything when come our table, the first thing when we they look now, how it go to help Edo people, how it go to help youth development, how it go to help youth inclusiveness, how it go to bring about youth mainstreaming. And now I tell you just now that my eye don't reach out say plenty better opportunity dey when youth fit gain something from. Make I give one small example when personal experience. One company call me say that they do they need some people where they want train for car tracking. I can't recommend some people. One happened to be somebody where they very close to me. Say na 3 weeks. So the person come after 3 weeks, happy come say they don't finish training, because most of them go tell me say that they already they Lagos where they go to do all these things. I say okay. So say they don't do the training finish, say they don't pass out, they even give them money, make they take start. So one of the evenings I dey discuss with my friend, I talk say this our boy don't go for training, come back. Oh, any car wanna get my money, they bring and make it they do help on put a car tracker. We call the young man say, tomorrow we will bring some car for you, make you take start this thing. He tell us clearly say he not learn the work finish. Then we ask am say wetin happen when you not learn the work finish? He say most time when you dey go work, hold up, go dey, you know, they quick reach the place. Hey, and you tell us say you don't complete the training, you don't collect money. Now so if to say you tell us say you get this challenge, me I go help you beg those people wey train you, say abeg make una extend in time small. This one are one of too many challenge wey we dey face. Even some of these our younger ones wey dey talk now for where they drive motor up and down say that they go school. The day when you go wan find work, give them. Say they say one agency dey employ somewhere, abeg bring your CV. Now you go tell no say some of them even don pour water for their body, say they don graduate, result you know dey. So this one na be the plenty challenge. But make we not dwell on the problem too much, but make we look at the solution to this problem. One thing when our people go understand be say self-deceit na be the highest challenge wey you go ever face. If you get problem, learn to speak out and quickly run meet somebody wey you know say e go fit help you to comot for that problem. Say you don create the problem finish, you dey hide, then you dey try to pass blame. My papa no help me, my mama no help me, my uncle no help me, my brother no help me, my sister no help me. You dey prepared to help yourself. If that help come like I mentioned just now, you dey prepared. If they talk say tomorrow that they look for certain set of graduates, you don check your CV say whether you go university or not. Anything wey you learn at all, say you dey actually prepare if they wan test you to see say you dey fit for such a job. So what I'm trying to say, anything wey we dey do am well. You dey into this profession, I'm not sure say you get anybody wey dey Edo State or within this region wey no know Emmanuel Akpololo. The reason be say you dey do the job well, and anytime people waka pass for their living room, they hear your voice without even looking at the TV. They know say na you dey talk, because they don master your voice, they don understand the person wey dey talk. So anything wey we dey do, make we try to dey do am well. And as for government, a lot of things dey wey be say e dey ground, but people to come do am and participate na be the problem.
All right, we dey on since with the Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, and we dey look at nationalism, nation building, and the role of youth in all of this. Honorable Speaker, we salute you the time when you join us.
Thank you so much.
This morning, we thank you very much for being part of this broadcast for today, and we believe see when next we call upon you to talk to our young people.
Anytime I go always dey here. I go always dey around. So far, the office give me that opportunity. But be rest assured that if the matter wey concern our young people, wey concern youth, I dey here for them, because now on that platform, now take day where I dey. So I'm still part of that constituency. So I go always make myself available to them anytime they want my attention.
Thank you very much. All right, we will take a small break. We'll come back. The program Good Morning from Benin.